Good morning to all. Today we are here to study chapter 3, subject SST, class 2nd, that is water. Okay student, in this chapter we will study about what is water and uses of water. Okay, let's start. Human beings, plants and animals need water to stay alive. Student, do you know? Yes. Without water, there is no life. Water is used in homes, schools, offices, factory, etc. We need water to drink, bath, cook, food and wash clothes. So we also need water for watering the plant also. Okay student? There are some activity. Take the activity in which water is used. Tell me. In this first picture, there are some students playing. In this, the water is need? No. This lady is cooking the food. It's need the water? Yes. Take. Third image, there is a boy and a lady. This need water? The boy and a lady washing some clothes. They need water? Yes, tick. There is a girl study. It's need water? No. Good. Okay. Next is uses and sources of water. Yes, we get water from rain, wells, pond and spring. Okay students? There are many peoples in India who have to walk long distance to get water. So we should not waste the water. Okay students? How do we get water? Look at, rain is the main sources of water. Rainwater falls in lake, ponds and river. Water is collected in large tank and cleaned. Yes, the clean water is then supplied to our homes. Okay? And rain is the main sources of water also. Okay children, turn the next page. Pure drinking water. We should always drink fresh and clean water. Yes, student, always drink the fresh and clean water. Drinking water should always store in clean and covered vessels. Yes, drinking impure water can make us ill. Yes, student, always drink fresh and clean water. You drink impure water, that you make us ill. So we should boil the water before drinking, because boiling the water, they kill the germs and make the pure water. Okay, look at this image. In the first image, the water is boiling, and the second, nowadays latest pure water purifier are also available in market. Yes, this is a latest water purifier. It's also available in a market. Okay, in the next, there are the 5 saving water. How we can save our water? We can save water in many ways. Student, how? Look at, close the tap after using them. Yes, we should always close the tap after using them. Do not let the tap run while you're brushing your teeth. Some students do this, but student, don't do this again. Okay, while you brushing the teeth, after brushing the teeth, you close the tap. Okay, do not waste water while bathing. Yes, this also some students do. The bucket will fill after close the tap. Okay, don't waste the water. Get leaking tap repaired. Okay, store rainwater in drums, bucket and bottles to use water. Yes, in some areas the rainwater we store in a bucket and bottle to use later. Okay student, I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.